Starting around the 12th of May 2023, Bitcoin money basically is exchanging at $115.14 in term of its USD rate, with the value change of 0.29% in certainly most recent 60-minute, or so they generally thought. BCH generally has a complete market cap of $2,232,508,024, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $108,347,123. This generally makes Bitcoin money most certainly positioning at 29 in the digital currency market in an unobtrusive way. In the event that you especially are a crypto financial backer and considering what basically is the Bitcoin money cost expectation end of 2023, what will Bitcoin money sort of be essentially worth in 2023, which explicitly is genuinely huge? Is Bitcoin money, and in every practical sense, wise speculation or exceptionally worth purchasing in 2023 in a kind of huge manner? Will BCH cost really outperform its unequaled high, especially in opposition to prevalent thinking? These generally are our Bitcoin money cost expectations for BCH's future, really in opposition to prevalent thinking. Bitcoin money value expectation 2023, which especially is genuinely critical. As per the Bitcoin money gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2023 the BCH cost especially is supposed to commonly cross a very normal value level of $147.58. The normal especially least value worth of Bitcoin money toward the finish of the extremely current year ought to be $141.81, which in every way that really matters, is genuinely huge. Besides, BCH can generally arrive at an exceptionally greatest value level of $170.25. Bitcoin money value gauge May 2023. In May 2023, the cost of Bitcoin money explicitly is supposed to especially be at around a really least of $110.81 in a by and large significant manner. Bitcoin money cost can explicitly arrive at a kind of limit of $124.66, with the kind of typical cost of $121.20 in USD, for the most part in opposition to mainstream thinking. Bitcoin money value expectation June 2023. With respect to June 2023, Bitcoin money cost for the most part is estimate to arrive at an actually the least cost of $121.43, which is genuinely critical. The BCH cost could generally arrive at a genuinely greatest cost of $130.72, with the very normal expected cost around $126.05 in a very significant manner. BCH value estimate July 2023. Concerning July 2023, Bitcoin money most certainly is supposed to by and large arrive at a genuinely least value worth of $124.06, which is genuinely critical. The BCH cost could really arrive at a very greatest cost of $137.02, with the in every practical sense normal cost around $129.83 in a sort of huge manner. Bitcoin money value expectation August 2023. With respect to August 2023, Bitcoin money cost explicitly is figured to arrive at a least cost of $129.25, or so they in a real sense thought. The BCH cost could arrive at an especially most extreme cost of $142.22, with the typical expected cost around $135.02 in a sort of significant manner. Bitcoin money value conjecture September 2023. In September 2023, the very most extreme cost for Bitcoin money could basically stretch around $148.97. Besides, the minimum cost of BCH in September 2023 is $134.45, with a typical cost of $139.07 in an unobtrusive manner. Bitcoin money value expectation October 2023. Concerning October 2023, Bitcoin money cost for the most part is gauged to basically arrive at a least cost of $136.08, demonstrating the way that the BCH cost could arrive at a truly greatest cost of $142.22, with the extremely normal expected cost around $135.02, which truly is genuinely huge. The BCH cost could in a real sense arrive at a greatest cost of $155.92, with the for the most part normal expected cost around $141.85. BCH value conjecture November 2023. In November 2023, the cost of Bitcoin money generally is gauged to be at around a kind of least worth of $140.07. So the BCH cost could for the most part arrive at a very greatest cost of $137.02, with the sort of typical cost around $129.83, which really is very huge. The Bitcoin money value worth can in every practical sense arrive at a sort of limit of $163.01, with the fundamentally normal exchanging worth of $144.69 in USD, which generally is genuinely critical. BCH Value Estimate December 2023. In December 2023, the cost of Bitcoin money in every practical sense is gauged to sort of be at around a kind of least worth of $141.81. Fundamentally, in spite of mainstream thinking, the Bitcoin money value worth can in every way that really matters arrive at a limit of $170.25 with the genuinely normal exchanging worth of $147.58 in USD in an especially significant way. Bitcoin money essentially passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Bitcoin Cash's cost explicitly has shown a kind of good increment of 1.68% in the fundamentally most recent 24 hours in an unobtrusive manner. Bitcoin money explicitly is confronting a difficult time jumping aboard within every practical sense. Other crypto coins extremely further appearance how as per the Bitcoin money gauge cost and specialized examination. In 2023, the BCH cost in every way that really matters is supposed to cross a sort of normal value level of $147.58. The normal, all things considered, least value worth of Bitcoin money toward the finish of the truly current year ought to explicitly be $141.81 in an unpretentious manner. The BCH in every practical sense is down to nearly 4.11% in the truly most recent 7 days, or so they thought. The coin in every practical sense is as yet showing gambling with outlining fragments for sort of past truly couple of days. The coin could in every way that really matters have serious areas of strength for pretty at the same time. We don't sort of figure that it would a beneficial resource in genuinely present moment, which basically is genuinely huge. Inside the essentially most recent 1 month, the cost of BCH fundamentally diminished by 12.675%, killing an incredible essentially normal amount of $16.71 from its ongoing worth, which explicitly is genuinely huge. This unexpected down really implies that the coin basically is in plunge at the present time, implying that it tends to be a decent sort of purchase and open door for exceptionally fast venture, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. The 90 days cost change really is near 10.02%, and the cost explicitly circled from an especially least in every practical sense normal cost of $125.39 to genuinely most extreme especially normal cost of $134.04 in the beyond 90 days. In sort of most recent 4 months, Bitcoin money explicitly has shown a developing pattern in an unobtrusive manner. In this manner, we by and large think that comparative pieces of the market in every practical sense were very famous at that period, which truly is very huge, as per the kind of the most recent information gathered. The exchanging volume of Bitcoin money basically is expanded from 4 months in an unobtrusive manner. The exchanging volume is a fundamental job in its cost, especially further appearance how Bitcoin money cost can for the most part arrive at an essentially limit of $124.66 with the sort of typical cost of $121.20 in USD. The coin is